Hey, adventure warriors! Ever feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of camping stoves out there? Today, we're diving headfirst into an explosive showdown of 15 jaw-dropping camping stoves that will absolutely ignite your outdoor cooking game. From the ultralight MSR Pocket Rocket 2 for lightning-fast backpacking meals, to the mighty Camp Chef Everest 2X, ready for your gourmet feasts, the innovative BioLite Fire Pit that charges your phone, and the versatile Gas 1 dual-fuel Titans. We're covering every single burning question. Get ready to unleash your perfect outdoor kitchen. Prepare to redefine base camp cooking with the revolutionary Jetboil Genesis base camp stove. This isn't just a stove. It's a meticulously engineered, integrated culinary powerhouse designed for ultimate efficiency and performance. Unfold this compact marvel to reveal two high-performance burners, each offering precision simmer control for gourmet creations or roaring heat for rapid boiling. The magic lies in its integrated system, working seamlessly with Jetboil's flux ring technology to maximize heat transfer, minimizing fuel consumption and boil times. It packs down into an unbelievably small, organized unit, making transport a breeze despite its robust cooking capabilities. From elaborate multi-course meals to simply boiling water for a crowd in record time, the Genesis delivers consistent power and unparalleled versatility. It's the ultimate solution for groups, families, and anyone who demands a high-end, efficient, and surprisingly compact camp kitchen system that's ready for anything your base camp throws at it. Prepare to be amazed by the MSR Pocket Rocket 2, the reigning king of ultralight backpacking stoves. This isn't just small, it's ridiculously tiny, fitting in the palm of your hand, yet it unleashes a surprising amount of cooking power. Imagine carrying a stove that adds almost no weight to your pack, leaving you free to conquer those miles. Screw it onto a fuel canister, and in moments, you have a potent flame ready to boil water with impressive speed. The simplicity is its genius. No fancy features, just pure, reliable performance when every ounce counts. Its robust design can handle the rigors of the trail, and the precise flame control lets you simmer meals with surprising finesse. For solo adventurers, thru hikers, and anyone obsessed with minimizing pack weight without sacrificing the joy of a hot meal, the Pocket Rocket 2 is the undisputed champion. It's the essence of fast and light cooking, proving that great things truly come in small packages. Step into camping heritage with the iconic Coleman Classic propane camping stove. This isn't just a piece of gear, it's a time-tested legend, a symbol of reliable outdoor cooking for generations of adventurers. With its unmistakable green steel case, this stove promises straightforward, no-nonsense performance that simply works every single time. Pop it open, connect a standard 1-pound propane canister, and ignite the consistent, powerful flame that has fueled countless cups of morning coffee, sizzling bacon, and hearty camp stews. Its dual burners offer ample space to cook for the family, while the integrated wind blocks bravely defend your flame against the elements. It's tough, incredibly easy to use, and delivers dependable heat year after year, trip after trip. For value, durability, and a comforting sense of tradition, the Coleman Classic is unbeatable. It's the essential, trustworthy companion that proves classic design and rock-solid reliability never go out of style. Welcome to the future of fireside luxury, where ancient warmth meets futuristic design. The BioLite Fire Pit Plus is more than just a campfire. It's a portable fire theater designed to impress. With 51 precision-engineered air jets and a powerful 10,400 mAh rechargeable battery, this marvel creates a smokeless, hypnotic flame that burns hotter, brighter, and cleaner. Imagine grilling over its hibachi-style grate under the stars. Wood or charcoal, your choice, while controlling the flame intensity right from your smartphone via Bluetooth. Yes, it's that high-tech. Sleek X-ray mesh sides let everyone enjoy the fiery glow from every angle. transforming ordinary nights into unforgettable moments. Whether it's a beach party, glamping trip, or elegant backyard soiree, this fire pit adds a bold, sophisticated edge to any outdoor setting. Its foldable legs, removable ashtray, and ultra-modern design make transport and cleanup effortless. Blending function with finesse, fire with flair, the BioLite Fire Pit plus redefines what it means to gather around the flame. It's not just fire, it's performance art, it's ambiance, it's innovation. If you're chasing the ultimate campfire experience, this is it. Prepare for a culinary revolution with the Camp Chef Everest 2X. This isn't just a stove, it's a portable kitchen command center, built to conquer hunger for any group. Imagine unleashing two screaming hot, 20,000 BTU burners that ignite instantly, delivering professional-grade power wherever your adventure takes you. Whether you're searing steaks to perfection, boiling a massive pot of pasta for the whole crew, or simmering a delicate sauce with its phenomenal simmer control, the Everest 2X handles it all with unwavering precision. Its rugged all-steel construction and robust windscreen laugh in the face of gusts, ensuring your flame stays strong and steady. Forget flimsy camp cookouts. This powerhouse means business. It's built for serious cooks, serious eaters, and serious outdoor experiences, making every meal an unforgettable triumph. Fuel your ambition. Fuel your group. This is the ultimate car camping, base camp, and tailgate champion, delivering pure, unadulterated cooking muscle that transforms every outdoor meal into an epic feast. Meet your new adventure co-pilot, the Gas One Dual Fuel Portable Stove. This isn't just a stove, it's a master of adaptability, ready to perform in any situation with two powerful fuel options. Imagine the freedom of choice. Easily hook up a standard 1-pound propane canister for robust, high-output cooking, or pop in a convenient butane canister for lightweight portability and quick, effortless meals. This stove delivers consistent, controlled heat, perfect for anything from a rapid boil to a gentle simmer, ensuring your campsite culinary creations are always a success. Its compact design and durable construction make it an ideal companion for car camping, picnics, emergencies, or even backyard BBQs. The Gas One Dual Fuel eliminates fuel worries, giving you unparalleled flexibility and reliability. It's the ultimate go anywhere, cook anything solution that truly shines in its incredible versatility, making every meal an adventure. Step into a new era of efficiency with integrated canister stoves. This isn't just a burner, it's a complete system, meticulously engineered to boil water at lightning speed with unparalleled fuel efficiency. Imagine a world where your pot and burner are a single wind-defying unit, locking together to minimize heat loss and maximize performance, even in challenging conditions. The magic lies in the integrated heat exchanger and insulated cozy, which trap heat and protect against the wind, ensuring every precious BTU goes directly into your water. These systems are incredibly fast, quiet, and simple to operate, making them perfect for boiling water for freeze-dried meals, hot drinks, or quick rehydration. For ounce-counting backpackers, solo explorers, and anyone prioritizing rapid boil times and superior wind performance above all else, an integrated canister stove delivers an unmatched level of speed, fuel economy. The BioLite CampStove 2 Plus is a cutting-edge portable stove crafted for eco-conscious outdoor enthusiasts. Fueled by wood, it efficiently cooks meals and boils water, eliminating the need for bulky fuel canisters. Its standout feature is a thermoelectric generator that converts fire heat into electricity, powering devices like smartphones or headlamps through a built-in USB port, perfect for off-grid adventures. An integrated fan boosts combustion, creating a hotter, low-smoke flame for greener cooking. The included lightweight kettle pot boils 1 liter of water in just 4.5 minutes, and collapsible legs enhance portability and durability. Compatible with BioLite accessories like the coffee press or kettle pot, it adapts to various culinary tasks. Whether hiking, camping, or venturing into remote areas, this compact, sturdy stove delivers sustainable cooking and charging solutions, blending innovation with practicality to keep you fueled and connected in the wilderness. Discover the elegant simplicity and refined design of the Snow Peak Home and Camp Butane Stove, a true testament to form meeting function. This isn't just a stove, it's a piece of functional art that seamlessly transitions from your modern kitchen counter to your minimalist campsite. Its ingenious, collapsible design transforms from a sleek, compact cylinder into a stable, powerful cooking platform with just a few simple moves. Powered by readily available butane canisters, it delivers a consistent, controllable flame perfect for everything from a precise pour-over coffee to simmering a gourmet meal. The focus here is on quiet efficiency, exquisite craftsmanship, and a user experience that feels utterly effortless. It's lightweight, incredibly portable, and undeniably stylish, proving that outdoor gear doesn't have to sacrifice aesthetics for performance. For design aficionados, discerning campers, and anyone who appreciates thoughtful engineering and beautiful utility, the Snow Peak Home and Camp Butane Stove is an absolute triumph of minimalist genius. Jetboil's fast boil systems, including the Flash 1.0L, Zip 0.8L, and Flash Java 1.0L, redefine backcountry cooking with unmatched speed and efficiency. Designed for rapid boiling, the Flash boils 16 ounces of water in just 100 seconds, thanks to the flux ring heat exchanger, which optimizes fuel efficiency. Weighing around 13.1 ounces, Flash, and 12 ounces, Zip, these compact systems pack neatly into their 1-liter or 0.8-liter cooking pots. A thermochromatic heat indicator signals when water is ready, preventing boilovers, while the 2025 updated dial igniter ensures reliable starts and easier handling with safety grip zones. Ideal for dehydrated meals or coffee, they excel in 3-season conditions but lack simmering capabilities. Compatible with propane, isobutane canisters and accessories like the Java kit, they're perfect for backpackers prioritizing speed and portability. Though not ultralight, their robust design and fuel efficiency make them a favorite for campers seeking quick, hassle-free meals in the wilderness. Get ready to dominate your next outdoor gathering with the Camp Chef Pro 16 cooking system. This isn't just a stove. It's a modular, customizable outdoor kitchen that brings the power and versatility of your home setup to the campsite, tailgate, or backyard. Picture this: up to 3 high-output burners, each capable of searing, boiling, or simmering with incredible precision, and a range of interchangeable cooking surfaces like grills, griddles, and even a pizza oven. The possibilities are endless. Built with legendary Camp Chef durability, this system is ready for years of heavy use, and its modular design means you can configure it to match your specific cooking needs. From feeding a massive crowd to creating gourmet feasts under the stars, the Pro 16 cooking system is the ultimate expression of outdoor culinary ambition. It's not just cooking, it's creating an experience, transforming any outdoor space into a culinary paradise. Unleash your inner pitmaster with the Solo Stove Bonfire Cast Iron Griddle Cooking Bundle 2.0. This isn't just a griddle, it's a gateway to campfire cooking nirvana, transforming your Solo Stove Bonfire into a sizzling, flavor-infusing machine. Imagine the rich, smoky aroma of food cooking over an open flame, enhanced by the unparalleled heat retention and even distribution of the high-quality cast iron. From searing steaks with a perfect crust to flipping stacks of pancakes under the stars, this griddle unlocks a whole new level of campfire culinary artistry. The bundle includes everything you need to get started, and the Solo Stove's signature airflow design ensures a clean, efficient burn with minimal smoke. It's more than just cooking. It's about connecting with the primal joy of open-fire cuisine, creating unforgettable meals and memories around the mesmerizing flames of your bonfire. Prepare for explosive performance in a tiny package with the BTU Portable Dual Fuel Mini Camp Stove. Don't let its miniature size fool you. This compact marvel is a true powerhouse, engineered for maximum impact with dual fuel versatility. Imagine the sheer convenience of a stove so small it practically disappears in your pack, yet ready to ignite with either easily found butane or a reliable propane canister. It delivers a fierce, focused flame that boils water in a flash, perfect for quick coffee breaks, instant noodles, or rehydrating meals on the fly. Its robust construction ensures stability for your cooking pot, even on uneven terrain, and the simple, intuitive operation means you're cooking in seconds. This isn't just a mini stove. It's a critical piece of ultralight gear for hikers, solo adventurers, and emergency kits. Experience massive cooking power without the bulk. This mini giant redefines portable efficiency. Prepare to redefine warmth and gourmet cooking in the wilderness with Anave the Frontier Plus. This isn't just a stove, it's a portable wood-burning fireplace, a robust cooker, and a cozy heat source all rolled into one magnificent rugged package. Imagine the unparalleled ambiance of a real wood fire crackling inside your tent or shelter, while its integrated flue system channels smoke safely away. But the magic doesn't stop there. Its large cooktop surface transforms into a powerful cooking hub, perfect for sizzling up a full meal, boiling water, or even baking in compatible accessories. Built from durable stainless steel, it's designed to withstand the harshest elements, ensuring reliable performance trip after trip. For expedition campers, off-grid cabins, or anyone craving the nostalgic charm and practical utility of a real wood stove, the Frontier Plus TM delivers warmth, culinary delight, and an undeniable sense of home in the wild. Prepare to be astonished by the Vango Atom Stove, the epitome of ultralight, high-performance backpacking. This isn't just a stove, it's a near-weightless wonder, designed for adventurers who demand absolute minimal pack weight without compromising on the joy of a hot meal. Imagine a stove so incredibly tiny and light, it barely registers in your gear list, yet ignites with surprising power to deliver rapid boil times. It screws effortlessly onto a standard gas canister, transforming into a stable and efficient cooking platform in seconds. The Atom's precision flame control allows for surprisingly versatile cooking, from a roaring boil for pasta to a gentle simmer for delicate sauces. Its robust construction ensures reliability on the rugged trail, making it the perfect companion for solo hikes, fast and light missions, or simply anyone who believes less weight equals more adventure. The Vango Atom Stove proves that truly exceptional power can come in the most compact, feather-light package. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. You've seen the power, the innovation, and the sheer versatility that will transform your outdoor meals forever. If this epic guide fired you up, smash that like button, subscribe for more adrenaline-fueled gear reviews, and tell us in the comments which stove is making it into your ultimate camp kitchen.